Hi everyone, welcome to tutorial for Rubik's Cube. In this video, you will learn how to create a white cross and align its edges with white color center. The goal here is to create a white cross. Now, hold the cube in such a way that yellow center is on top and white center at bottom. At first, we will align white edges around the yellow center. We call it daisy because it has a yellow center with white edges. It's too easy and you doesn't need to learn any algorithm. Just try and you will do it yourself. After all the white edges is aligned to the yellow center, have a look at one of the white edge and check the color on the front side of that edge. Now align the front edge color with its own color centerpiece and rotate the front side twice, that is 90 degrees. Now apply the same method with rest of 3 white edges. Our white cross at the bottom is solved. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.